Hey friends, so there's this new feature in Blogmaker and it's this one right here, tags. And the way to use it, you simply click on the field and then you can select from any of the existing tags that you have in your system. For example, for this particular article, the relevant one is branding. And then I can add a new one, which is not specifically relevant for this article, but just to show you how it's done. I can type it, hit enter, and it is created right there and then. And also I can filter if I have hundreds or dozens of tags. I can filter with by just typing and then navigating with arrow keys in my keyboard. Another cool thing is that I can use this button right here, suggest tags, which pretty much tells Blogmaker to analyze your article and then suggest relevant tags. And what it does is it goes through the article, and the light blue ones are the ones that are already existing in your system, in your blog, which you can use by clicking the plus button right here. Or you can use completely new ones which don't exist yet, you've never added them, and you can choose to add them in this article as well as in your blog in general for later use. So in this case, we'll use authenticity. It's a bit relevant to this article, and maybe I'll pick brand name, possibly business success. And that would be it. I can click X on the other ones. And that's it. I can hit publish changes. And then I can go to other articles. Let me go to these other ones that I have here. And for these, I'll just use suggest tags, but if you see me clicking on the input field right here, you'll see the ones that I've added from the suggest tags feature. They're already in the system, so I can reuse them again. So let me just see what Blogmaker suggests for this article, which is completely different from the previous one. So I'll just say suggest tags. I didn't find any existing ones because this article is more about, personal growth, life lessons, etc. So maybe I'll just use this one as the most relevant one. And then self-development, and just maybe thoughts. I know it's very vague, so I'll just hit enter for that one. Publish changes. This article right here, which seems like more of a business one, so I'll probably suggest existing ones from the system. So bootstrapping, business success marketing, their existing tags. So maybe I'll use all of them. And then SaaS lessons is another one, which we'll possibly write about again. So another thing, this is more of like a tip, not how the feature works, but you probably want to pick the tags that are relevant first to the article and possibly things that you might write again about, because tags appear at the bottom of the article when your reader navigates your website, which I'll show you right now. So let me just finish this real quickly and then go back to that thought. So I'll just hit publish changes, close these out, and then just visit this article. It's all in the name. So the tags appear at the bottom here. And the reason I was saying you want to pick tags that either are based on ideas and stuff you write on your website or relevant tags that you might write about again, because when users click on any of the tags at the end of the article, let's say branding, you want them to have few articles under that tag. You don't want like hundreds of tags with only one article in each. So you kind of want to organize it around the theme. Even if they're different, like in my case, I have like articles about SaaS lessons and then self-development, which are completely on the opposite ends. But if somebody clicks on them, you want them to, you want your readers to see a few articles under that tag. Just so, also search engines, they can sort of cluster your content around a couple of different themes and then, give your blog, your content some personality about, what mostly it's about. These are just tips, not about how tags work. But again, you add tags from this area right here. And then once you hit publish, they appear at the very end of the article. Unlike categories, which are sort of like broader themes, broader terms about, you know, your blog, like they organize your blog in a wider sort of sector, and then tags are sort of like subsections of your blog. So yeah, that's that. And then when you go under tags here, which you can see them on your end as well, you can see all your tags here. You can edit them. You can edit the tag name or the URL, which is the URL when somebody clicks on any of the tags in your posts. That's the the URL that will appear up here, and you can delete it completely. So let me see. Maybe I'll delete thoughts. I guess it's very broad and vague, so I'll just hit delete on that one. So that tag will be deleted from all the posts. You won't see it on any of the posts that I think that you've used it. So if I go to the one that I use thoughts in, never make it, it's not there any longer, and I can edit again if I wanted to. So that's it. That's tags.